Going, it's Rocky. Welcome to the daily diaries of a average futures trader, which I try to cover content at 1:15, 15 minutes after the US market close. And I try to finish this within 5 minutes. Just give you my thoughts on how the market is doing and essentially how my trades were. So today was pretty good for the market. If you've been beat up a lot this past couple of days, you can see Dow Jones was up almost 400 points, S&P 500 up 1.76%, and then NASDAQ, which is usually leading the pack here, it's up 2.48%. So a lot of the movements were due to a lot of other banks helping out in essentially the rescue of First Republic Bank, and of course in Switzerland, Credit Suisse, pardon if I did not pronounce that correctly, being saved by the Swiss National Bank. So a lot of banking things that are happening where they're trying to prevent the contagion, and then due to that, I actually just did 2 trades, really 3, as you can see here, which I have on the chart, which is the screen. I have an existing trade that is occurring. It's actually an existing trade where my PL open is negative $320. I'm short 2 positions on this, and I'll go through that in a little bit, but for now I'm going to focus a bit on the two trades that I did where I was profitable over $1,000 for the first 2 trades. So this first trade happened during the Asian market hours. So it started at around, it started around 5:45 p.m. or so in the Pacific Coast. And then with this one, basically it was a big red candle, big green candle, and I just wanted to fade that big jump, because that big jump was a range of 82 candles and a 52-minute candle. So a very fundamental play that took really the entire evening until the EU market before I was able to close. So 2 trades, 198, 184, so that's an average of 32,191, and I did not cover until way later, closer to I didn't do the average. Let's do that average right now. Basically we covered at a lot of history here. Bring the calculator here so we can actually see what's going on. Oops, bear with me while I'm doing this. So I covered at 32,134 and 32,097 divided by 2, so it's covered at 32,115.50. So I essentially shorted with an average of 32,191 and then covered at 32,115.50. So that was 75.5 points. So with 2 contracts times 10, that first trade that I had was essentially a profit of $755, which is pretty strong to start the day essentially. And then the next trade that I ended up doing was not until closer to the power hour, and on this trade basically it was another not the best entry, but I fundamentally I disagree with the movement, but technically I'm not really following my rules here, which is a dangerous way of trading. But essentially I shorted here, and basically with that, let's see. So my average there was 32,415, and I ended up covering at 32,376. So it's 39 points. So with 2 contracts times 10, that was a trade of $390. So we were over $1,000 on the first 2 trades. Unfortunately, on this last one, I got a bit, I don't know if greedy is the right term for it. It could be. I shorted here when I shouldn't short. I had an opportunity to exit right here, but I did not, and now I'm paying for it, right? You can see the PL open is $510. I'm gonna end up just watching this to see how it occurs, because right now I'm going through one of my weaknesses. Fundamentally, I'm saying no, this move can't occur, and technically it's showing me it's a very bullish move. So anyway, that's how we did for the day. It's a positive, profitable day, but I just need to find a way to exit this. Tell me in the comment below, what do you think I should do? Someone tell me some senses, knock some senses into me and just tell me, hey, you need to exit that, because I'm in the edge of like giving up all my profits for the day, but because I had profits, sometimes I'm holding on to it, and you're like, it's okay, I'm gonna hold on to it. But anyway, I'm gonna keep this one open again. PL open $570 on this one trade to see how it reacts when the Asian market hours open. So I'm gonna keep that open. But if you think that I shouldn't, give me a comment below. Anyway, that's my little content that I like to call my daily diaries of a average futures trader. We're now profitable 4 days in a row unless I give this profit up. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the next content. All right, y'all have a good one.